Hey, the Gadget Man here with nothing but gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing you this Pinty green laser gun sight. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Okay guys, so I bought this here for myself to attach to my pellet rifle and just to use it at night. And see, I think it's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and break it out of the box here. So this is a little pressure pad that you can attach to the side of your rifle, your gun. This could be attached to, say, an airsoft gun, a paintball gun, a real gun if you wanted to, or like in my case, just a little pellet gun. And it's just intended for quick draw shooting and not having to aim. So I think it's pretty cool. Comes with these two different types of barrel attachments. This one here actually attaches to the barrel and has these Picatinny rails on it, so you could attach a different light, such as a regular white flashlight or something like that. This right here is intended to attach to a scope mount. That if your gun had a scope rail on it right there, you could attach that to that. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to be able to use either one of these because I don't have either one of those on my pellet rifle. Okay. It uses a little bitty battery here. This is a CR123A 3 volt. This is a little rechargeable battery. Let's go ahead and put it in here and see if it works. Let's see, put it in. The spring is in there, so I think the battery goes in like this. Normally, the battery goes in the other direction, but I think this goes in the opposite direction. Let's see here. Boom. There we go. There's a little green laser right there. That's pretty cool. All right. Put it on that green box. Now, obviously, in the daytime, you can't really tell how strong it is. I'm going to take this out and use it in the dark and just basically see how much range I can get out of it. And I'll come back and show you those results. So hold your horses, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with the Pinty green laser sight here. I've attached it to this scope here just to kind of show you how it works. It comes with this bracket that attaches to a 1-inch scope ring here and then puts it on there, so basically it looks kind of like that right there. Alright, and you can turn that green laser on, and if your scope is sighted in, you just use these little wheels right here to line it up with the crosshairs in the scope. And that is how you get it sighted in, okay? So you just choose the range that your scope is sighted in, and then you use this, and then wherever the scope crosshairs are, it's pretty easy to sight in if you attach it to the scope. What I really like about this little attachment is that it's got some little Picatinny rails over here. Let me turn the green laser off, okay? I don't want to accidentally blind you. And you can attach other accessories, such as a flashlight. You know, say you want a flashlight on there for, you know, you can turn the flashlight on, okay? Got a nice little gun light, and you can put something else over here if you needed it. I don't know what else you'd put on there, but you could attach a whole slew of things to this, you know, it's pretty cool. I mean, that's pretty heavy. You're adding a lot of weight to your gun, but, you know, that's a pretty cool system. Anyways, I took it out at night and, you know, wanted to test it out. And I love green lasers because you can see the beam. So I did this really cool trick shot with my camera. Let me just show it right here. I just think that's so cool where I've got it sitting there on that piece of wood and you can see that green beam coming out of it. Now, obviously, that's a long exposure picture. The beam's not actually that bright in real life, so I did take a picture at night to kind of give you a realistic impression of how strong the beam is, and this is kind of basically what it looked like to me with my naked eye. Okay, so you can see the green beam, no problem whatsoever. To give you an idea of what you just looked at, because the whole picture was dark except for the green laser, I took a really long exposure picture so that you could see what I was aiming it at, and here's that field, okay? Now, you can't hardly tell the depth, but if you look at that beam, the actual, I'm pointing at a tree line on the other side of that wheat field. And that's over 600 yards away, guys. And you can see kind of where it's bright at the tip that it's shining on those trees. So the beam does extend out for a long ways. It's a very powerful beam, over 600 yards, and it was hitting those trees out there. And I think that's just really cool, all right? Now, I mean, you could use it for other things, but it is intended to be used as a sight. You can attach this to it right here if you wanted to use it as a put it on a gun, and when you press that, you could have your green light turn on for different things. So it's a tactical light. I just really think it's cool, and I'm going to use it on my air rifle just because I think it's cool. All right, guys, that's the Pinty green laser light. What a cool little device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. I will throw a link to this product in the description of the video. Just look under the video to find it there. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.